Horton Plains stretches across an area of approximately 10,000 square kilometers and is surrounded by the Kunlun Mountains to the south and the Taklamakan Desert to the north. The Horton Plain is characterized by its fertile soil, which makes it an important agricultural region in the arid landscapes of Xinjiang. The region is known for its diverse crops, including cotton, wheat, barley, melons, and various fruits. The fertile soil is primarily sustained by the waters of the Horton River, a tributary of the Tarim River, which flows through the plain. Horton, the principal city in the region, is an ancient oasis city that has served as a hub for trade and cultural exchange for centuries. It has a rich history and has been a significant center for silk production, carpet weaving, and jade carving. The city's cultural heritage is deeply rooted in the Silk Road era, and it has retained much of its traditional character. The Horton Plain is also renowned for its archaeological treasures. The area has yielded numerous historical artifacts, including ancient manuscripts, Buddhist artifacts, and mummies. The region's dry climate has preserved these artifacts exceptionally well, offering valuable insights into the history and culture of the region. While the Horton Plain has great agricultural and historical significance, it is also prone to environmental challenges. Water scarcity, desertification, and sandstorms are some of the issues that affect the region. Efforts are being made to address these challenges and promote sustainable development in the area. In conclusion, the Horton Plain is a fertile and historically significant region in the Tarim Basin of Xinjiang, China. It has played a vital role in agriculture, trade, and cultural exchange throughout history, while also being home to important archaeological discoveries. Despite environmental challenges, the Horton Plain continues to be a place of cultural and agricultural significance.